Okay guys, this is 2024 Ford Maverick Tremor Lariat Edition. Presents you from Real Deal Auto. It's got new Falcon tires on there. Rebuilt title. Damage was over here. Some suspension fender work through here. This is all-wheel drive. Little sticker kit there on the bottom. Tremor package. Start it up here for you. 83.95 on the miles. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. It's got 2 keys. Here's all your Tremor options. Different apps, settings, navigation, steering wheel controls, steer assist, adaptive cruise, power windows, mirrors, locks. This one does have the sunroof. Let's see, it's got powered seats here. VIN number. Hitch here. Slow release tailgate. Spray and bed liner. It's this desert tan color. Tinted windows. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.